Hey Magnolia Point, this is Dania with Golden Hammer Roofing and Gutters. I was called out by one of your homeowners to take a look at a roof, and one thing that I want to show that's actually an improper installation of materials. This ridge and the hips. So what is supposed to be installed are these shingles right here. Those are considered a hip and ridge shingle. They're smooth. They're one continuous piece. Unfortunately, what's been installed on this roof is what's called an architectural or field shingle, and it's a laminated shingle, so it's going to be 2 layers. Why this is the improper installation is that you have all of these seams, and you do not want to have seams on an area that has a bend or a curve to it, because water can now track underneath and now get into the roofing system. Homeowner actually has a leak, and it's kind of no question why. We have some improper installation of materials. You can see right here where this shingle is bent up. That's where water can get in. So we're out providing a roof inspection for the homeowner. Just wanted to show what we found. This is Dania with Golden Hammer Roofing and Gutters, the golden standard in roofing and gutters.